Sense organs. Our body has got some specialized organs which are sensitive to certain stimuli and act as a window to the outside world for us. They are known as sense organs. Human body has got 5 sense organs: skin, eyes, ears, nose, and tongue. Eyes. Eyes are very important organs of our body. They help us to see things around us. They are very sensitive. Hence, they are protected with eyebrows, eyelashes, and eyelids. All these parts protect the eyes from heat, strong light, dust, and injury. The main parts of an eye are described here. Cornea is the transparent circular covering present in front of the eye. It protects the front part of the eye. Iris is the colored circular part in the eye. Pupil is the opening in the center of the iris. Pupil allows the light to enter through it. The amount of light is regulated by the iris by controlling the size of the pupil. Lens forms the image of the object and is present behind the pupil. Retina is present at the back of the eye and acts as screen on which the image is formed. Optic nerve connects the eye to the brain and nerve cells in the eye send signal along this nerve. The brain reads the signal and enables us to see the objects. Caring for the eyes. Wash and clean the eyes regularly with clean and cold water. Never work in either too bright or dim light. Watch television at least from 6 feet away and computer screen should be 1.5 to 2.0 feet away. Do not read in a moving vehicle as it is strenuous for the eyes. Same goes for not reading while lying down. Do not rub eyes with dirty hands or towels as it can cause infection in our eyes. While reading or writing, light should fall from our left side. Fact file. A chameleon's eyes can look in opposite directions at the same time. Ears. Ears help us in hearing different sounds around us. The part we see from outside is the outer ear. The sound of an object enters from the outer ear and travels to inner ear, passing through the middle ear. The nerves present in the inner ear send it to the brain that interprets and responds accordingly. Ears also help us to maintain our balance. Caring for the ears. Do not hear very loud sounds and stay away from noise. Also protect the ears from hard blows as all these can damage the inner ear. Keep the ears dry. Do not let water enter in them. If it does, then wipe off with clean towel. Do not clean the ear with any sharp or pointed object like pencil, hairpin, or matchstick. It may damage the eardrum. Visit a doctor in case of an earache. Nose. Nose helps us to smell various objects ranging from good smell of perfumes to bad smell of garbage. It also helps us in breathing. Special hair-like structures present inside the nose have nerve endings which are sensitive to smell. These nerve endings send the signal to the brain, and the brain decides which smell it is and conveys it back. Sense of taste and smell are interlinked. If our nose is blocked, then food will also not taste good to us. Caring for the nose. Never put finger or anything inside your nose to clean, as it may cause infection. To clean a blocked nose, inhale steam or put a nasal drop. Always breathe through the nose, as hair present inside the nose filters the air. Keep your nose clean by blowing it regularly and gently. There is an old practice of picking the nose of babies by elders. This should not be done as it might damage the sensitive nerves inside. Fact 5. You throw dust particles or foreign matter out when you sneeze. The snakes smell with the help of their tongues. That is why they stick their tongue out. Tongue. With our tongue, we can taste different things. Our tongue has tiny bumps which have nerve endings known as taste buds to identify different tastes. We have taste buds which can check for the sweet, bitter, sour, and salty tastes. Caring for the tongue. Clean the tongue with tongue cleaner and water to avoid bad breath daily. Do not eat too hot and spicy food. Skin. Skin is the outermost layer present in our body. It protects our body's internal organs and makes us feel sensations, organ of touch. Nerve endings present beneath the skin detect the sensation of touch, heat, cold, or pain. Caring for the skin. Clean the skin with soap and water daily to prevent infections. Wear clean and comfortable clothes. Avoid wearing clothes of other people. Put antiseptic cream in case of minor scratch or burn to prevent infections. Consult a doctor in case of major skin infections. Things to remember. The nervous system controls all the activities of other organ systems. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain controls all the activities of the body parts. It is composed of cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. The spinal cord is responsible for the reflex action. Nerves are the network of pathways for conducting information throughout the body. They can be sensory, motor, and mixed. We have 5 sense organs: skin, eyes, ears, nose, and tongue. They are specialized organs. We must care for our sense organs.